Okay guys, welcome back. So yet again I find myself doing a film on Jamie, and yet again I find myself doing a film on Jamie directly opposite the world's shittest bank, Targo Bank. Yeah, they're at it again guys. Woke up this morning, I checked my bank, it's saying that Google Limited Pay, which is basically like my YouTube earnings, €127. Yeah, okay, bill finally been paid. But then I noticed something. Hang on. There's not €127 in my bank. There's only €101 something in my bank. And I'm pretty sure you can all guess what that is. The racist arseholes have been at it again, stealing my money, which is a regular occurrence. It's happened like but twice last month, twice last month, once this month. Seems like every time I get money in, they're like, oh well, Master Jones, he's English, he's an idiot, he don't understand Spanish, so let's just take a payment out at this much, cause he won't realise. So I mean, what's he gonna do? I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go in there as soon as I get some time, have a go at him, threaten to close my account, and also call them racist hilly poyas.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. I don't care, call the police and I'll get him done for blooming daylight robbery. So, tip of the day, you move to Spain, yeah, you're gonna need a bank, you're gonna have money coming in or going out your account at some point. Only use the bank for that, okay? You got any spending money that ain't going out on like taxes or out like that, just grab it, take it out of your account and hide it in your pillows under your mattress. If you're a woman, hide it in your knickers or do a sticky ficky and hide it up in the secret compartment. Just hide it, cause I really hate to say this, it does seem like Spain's becoming, well, not Spain, I'll just say Benidorm's becoming a bit racist on the British counterpart. Like, I have noticed it over the years, and I mean, as I've said, banks keep trying to rip you off. You got to be careful going in supermarkets or like they're trying to shortchange you. You just got to watch yourself nowadays, to be honest. Come on, Mum. So, yeah, that's my mount over and done. We've got Shanghai, and I think that's a new charity shop, ain't it, Sue? Come on, mother darling, I am meant to be filming. Anyway, that's my mount done for today. I am quite pissed off with him, to be honest, because I mean, all the hard work I've done lately, thinking that I'm going to have a bit of money to either put towards another deal to get some more money in, or just treat myself to something nice for once in a while. I can't really do that because the knobheads at my bank have nicked it. Another thing, Spain's Benidorm's like a sort insulation traffic lights. Nobody gives a toss about them by seems of it. Quite often, me and Scooter Sue or me and Matt Mike have been crossing the road, like man's on green, cars still come at you. Like, it's just crazy to be fair. Anyway, I'm still not really feeling 100% like I'm still a wee bit like bunged up, got a bit of a cough, bit of a chest infection maybe, I don't know. I mean, that could be down to anything from like vaping, could be me vaping, could even be like a change of the weather, like how it's gone from being cold that you're having to wear like coats, jumpers when you go out to being like semi-hot. Could be down to that. Could even be down to like going to watch the Ninots last night. I mean Sunday night. Because of course you're breathing in like the fumes of the petrol, the fumes of the material burning. Then apparently there's been another sandstorm as well, so I mean, I don't really know how to put it down to. But still look, I'm bright, so sun's still shining, I'm still alive. Still got a shit ton of sweets off Aunt Shaw and Dandy, so I'm slowly getting fatter. Yeah, if you didn't know about that, guys, Aunt Shaw and Dandy bought us like a food hamper over. It were more like a Red Cross parcel, like the amount of stuff. Dad, of course, had like red tuna, I think it is. Red salmon, kippers, pilchards. Me and Sue had chocolate. Sue, of course, had her favourite. What's your favourite?
Turkish delight.
Yeah, Sue had
Shoulder
Turkish
scratch
delight.
Emergency, left shoulder down. I think I've just been bit down. More.
I'll pause you while I'm sorting that. Anyway, another tip. Never go filming with your mum. Anyway, yeah, Aunt Shaw bought Sue some Turkish delight. I got numerous bags of Moams, 2 bags of mini eggs, 2 bags of jelly tots, like huge bag of chocolate buttons, and I mean, I'm still eating. And on top of all that, they've apparently got us another little gift each, apparently. I mean, they don't have to do that. We didn't ask them to do it. We didn't say for them to do it before. Yeah, it's much appreciated, and I mean, I just sort of said that bit because I don't say you'll probably get. Well, I'll probably get some arsehole coming on, sort of saying I'm begging again, saying we're scrounging again, which we aren't. Like, the fans just do it at the kindness of their hearts. We don't ask them to do it. They just do it because we've helped them over the years. And I mean, the other day we met an old couple on my way back from St Patrick's Day, I think it was. And they were saying to us that if it weren't for our videos, or if it weren't for us, they may not have survived COVID, like, may not have survived lockdown, and that really sort of touched me, because I do know that there are quite a lot of people out there who didn't really see anyone, like, because of course you weren't allowed to go anywhere, so yeah, you didn't really see many people. And it just sort of touched me a bit, knowing that, like, we were probably the only real people they had a connection with during that hard time. Anyway, smash the like, smash the subscribe. I'm going to have a look round the fake shop, sweep myself for once, because, yeah, I'm feeling depressed. See you in a minute, guys. Adios. Hit like and subscribe as well. Always forget to do that.